Ever wished you could clean your home without lifting a finger? Imagine a vacuum that not only picks up every speck of dust, but also empties itself, maps your rooms, and even mops your floors, all while you relax. Well, the future of cleaning is already here. Today, we're revealing the top 5 robot vacuums on Amazon for 2025. Machines that combine intelligent navigation, strong suction, and hands-free maintenance to keep your home spotless every day. Before we begin, don't forget to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and special discounts on each of these amazing cleaning robots. Let's start with the iRobot Roomba 105 Vac Robot Vacuum with AutoEmpty Dock. This powerhouse is designed for people who want smart cleaning with zero hassle. With its self-emptying dock, the Roomba 105 can automatically empty itself for up to 75 days, so you don't have to worry about touching dirt for months. It features intense powerlifting suction and LiDAR navigation, allowing it to clean in neat rows while efficiently mapping every corner of your home. Whether it's hardwood, carpet, or tiles, this robot transitions smoothly across multiple surfaces, ensuring a deep and consistent clean every time. The Roomba 105 is also incredibly easy to use. Just set it up, connect it to the app, and let it do the rest. It's perfect for anyone who wants powerful cleaning combined with modern convenience. Moving on to the Roborock Q10S5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop, a true multitasking machine. This advanced model offers an incredible 10,000 Pascal suction power, making it one of the strongest robot vacuums available today. It's an upgraded version of the Q8 Max Plus, delivering both vacuuming and sonic mopping for the ultimate dual-action clean. The 70-day self-emptying feature means minimal maintenance, while its smart obstacle avoidance system ensures it glides effortlessly around furniture and cords. What's more, it includes auto mop lifting and dual anti-tangle brushes, which make it ideal for homes with pets or heavy shedding. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, crumbs, or spills, the Roborock Q10S5 Plus leaves your floor spotless without any effort from you. It's the perfect combination of power, intelligence, and innovation. Next up, the eufy Omni C20 Robot Vacuum and Mop, an all-in-one solution for true hands-free cleaning. With 7,000 Pascal of powerful suction and a fully automated station, this robot takes convenience to a whole new level. The Omni C20 not only vacuums and mops, it also washes and dries its mop pads automatically, keeping them fresh and ready for the next cleaning session. Its slim 3.35-inch design allows it to glide under furniture easily, reaching those hidden dusty areas most vacuums miss. The self-emptying function means you can forget about constant bin emptying, while the advanced navigation system ensures no spot is left untouched. The eufy Omni C20 is designed for those who want total automation and superior cleaning performance in one sleek package. Our next pick, the MOVA P10 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, is an absolute beast when it comes to cleaning performance. With a mind-blowing 13,000 Pascal suction power, it stands as one of the most powerful robot vacuums ever made. But raw power isn't all. It also features a 140-degree Fahrenheit hot water mop, washing and drying system that keeps the mop pads hygienically clean between uses. Its dual spinning extendable mops and 10.5mm auto lifting system make it perfect for transitioning between carpets and hard floors without leaving a trace. The MOVA P10 Pro Ultra also boasts advanced 360-degree obstacle avoidance and full app control, allowing you to schedule, track, and customize your cleaning sessions directly from your phone. If you want professional-grade cleaning with cutting-edge technology, this robot is a game changer. Finally, taking the #1 spot, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. This model combines the best of Shark's cleaning technology with intelligent navigation and voice control compatibility. With its Matrix Clean navigation system, the Shark AI Ultra maps your entire home and cleans in precise, organized rows, ensuring no area is missed. The XL self-empty base can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris, making maintenance incredibly low effort. It's perfect for homes with pets thanks to its high-efficiency suction and brush system that easily lifts pet hair from carpets and hard floors. You can control it using your voice through Alexa or Google Assistant, which makes cleaning as easy as saying, "Start cleaning." Its sleek design, cool gray finish, and advanced mapping features make it not just a tool, but a cleaning companion that truly understands your home.